Welcome to Nutriely. You just logged in and have landed in your diary. Your diary is your main dashboard and your main tool. You can navigate using the arrows, swiping left or right, or by using the calendar. You can access other tools by clicking the blue button on the bottom right of the screen. It gives you quick access to most of the features you will need to manage your diary. On left, you have features to create new foods and recipes. On the right, you have quick shortcuts for logging and access to your custom foods, recipes, drafts, and meals. Let's go log our breakfast. You can log your meal in multiple ways. You can use search or scan a barcode, or you can reuse recent meals and items, as well as save your favorites. Let's try logging an egg. We can quick log it using the plus button on the right of the item. In the same way, we can delete the item by clicking the minus button. We can also log by first inspecting and configuring our item. We can inspect the nutrition, adjust the meal or date in our diary, and set the quantity and measure of our item. Now that we have logged our first item, we can already see some stats. You can configure 4 main nutrients to highlight in your diary. To see a full picture of today, go to Progress tab. This is all of your targets in one snapshot. At the end of the day, it might look something like this. With just a quick glance, you can see the nutrients that need attention. Another way to inspect your data is to click on Full Stats. Here you can see even more data, including the nutrients that do not have specified targets. Regardless of where you are, you can always click on the nutrients and drill into deeper insights. You can see the top contributors for each nutrient, visualize the patterns over time, and inspect nutrition data down to the last ingredient. And finally, your profile configuration is available by clicking on the user icon on the top right corner. Here you will find options to edit your user details, preferences, nutrition targets, dashboard, and much more. That is the basics of it. You can learn more in our other videos or just by exploring the app. Happy tracking!